Anoplolepis gracilipes, also known as yellow crazy ant, is a very interesting ant species. It is yellow colored and has a brown gaster that is sometimes striped, and it is about 5 millimeters long, has equally long legs and antennae, and has a rather slender shape with a tiny head. It is a pest ant and among the top 100 invasive species. It has no stinger or powerful bite, but formic acid. They originate from southwest Africa, but occupy huge parts in South Asia and Australia. There they nest in every place that is just good enough. For example, a batch of moss or a piece of bark. They like the temperature about 24 degrees Celsius or more, and a humidity of 50 to 60%. They usually like their nests a little more humid. Their behavior is really interesting too. When they are disturbed, they run like crazy in zigzag lines, and they are very curious and well organized. They generally avoid other ants and act peaceful around them or just go away. Their diet is very large, you could say. They don't hesitate very long, like all invasive species, when it comes to food. They nearly eat everything, but they love honey and proteins in form of insects. Besides that, they eat grains, seeds and fruits. They have a mutualistic relationship with scale insects that affects agriculture in a way I'll explain later. So those ants protect these insects and transport them to the best spots of a host plant. The scale insects suck the plant's sap and poop honeydew. The ants milk those insects and drink this poop. Due to the ants' great work, the plants either die off by having no sap, or the scale insects pooping too much and coating the leaves with an intransparent poo mantle. This mantle begins to mold, and you know what happens then. Their reproduction methods are not 100% discovered yet. So it is believed that they do inbreeding and disperse through budding, so splitting of colonies. They form super colonies with hundreds of queens and hundreds of thousands of workers. These workers develop in a period of 3 weeks and live up to 3 years. The reproductives, called elates, take a bit longer and live 16 years. So why are they considered pest ants? They are considered pest ants because they form super colonies, tend to scale insects, and eat everything they come across and develop really fast. On the Christmas Islands, they have devoured about 15 million Christmas crabs. In addition to that, they eat the seabirds' chicks. How? They are millions, and each one sprays formic acid until the prey dies. This infestation in Australia and the Christmas Islands is being treated with the help of fipronil that reduce the number of ants very effectively. So here you can see my colony of these yellow crazy ants. I have got them with 2 queens and about 100 workers with about 30 pupae, and now they are about 110 workers a month later. 2 queens of course, and lots of eggs and pupae and larvae, and they are doing really great. They actually eat a lot of food, and that's about it. There will sure be updates on this colony, so see you in the next video.